first one is the pull principle. And this is all about the downstream processes only taking what is needed, what is required, i.e. the customer starts the value chain by requesting a product or a service. The opposite of this is push. So imagine you're handing over products or services or information to another department where it's actually not required or not requested. So effectively, you're actually building a stock of inventory of products or information or services that are not really required. You're consuming resources, you're building bottlenecks and inventory in the process. So pull is all about taking what you need when you need it and nothing more. Then the second principle, and it's made up of two parts, the one-piece flow. And this is basically how do you, well, let's take the one piece. The one piece is all about the batch size. So how much work do I do in one go? Now, obviously, if you're in automotive, it's really simple. If you're building a car, at any one station has only one car at a time. Very simple. But what does that mean now if you're P&G and you're doing 12,000 bottles of shampoo a day? You don't do one bottle of shampoo. So the idea is, what's the right batch size? How do I organize my time and my ability to manufacture things? The third one is the tact principle. And this is all about achieving a rhythm by leveling the work contents. The Japanese call this principle, the tact principle, heijunka, which means to level out the workload. Now, those three principles put together are known as just-in-time. So if you've heard of just-in-time, it's basically the pull principle, one-piece flow, and the tact principle put together. Now, the fourth one, zero defects principle. This is actually the most difficult one to implement because this is a mindset above all else. And what this is all about is how not to pass problems, defects, from your stage or from your process to the next one. And if you're the next one, not to accept anything that is below the quality you require. Because what we often see in many organizations is it's all about shooting the messenger and playing the politics between the different process steps.